find the current, the total resistance, the V1, V2, and V3. So this is the figure of the series circuit. So the given are the total voltage is equals to 50 volts, the R1 is equals to 10 ohms, R2 is equals to 39 ohms, and R3 is equals to 51 ohms. So the first problem is find the total resistance. So total resistance is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R1 is equals to 10 ohms plus R2 is equals to 39 ohms plus R3 is equals to 51 ohms. So in total, it is equal to 100 ohms. So total resistance is equals to 100 ohms. Next is find the total current. So we all know that total current is equal to I1 and I2 and so on. So next is we all know that Ohm's law is equals to voltage is equals to current times resistance. So in this problem, we're going to find the total current. So current is equals to total voltage over total resistance is equals to voltage is equals to 50 volts, the resistance is equals to 100 ohms. So 50 volts divided by 100 ohms is equals to 0.5 ampere. So next is find the voltage 1 or the V1. V1 is equals to total current times the R1 is equal to total current is 0.5 ampere times the R1 is equals to 10 ohms. So the V1 is equals to 5 volts. Next is find the V2. So the total current is 0.5 and the R2 is equals to 39 ohms. So V2 is equals to 19.5 volts. Next is find the V3. So the total current is also 0.5 times the R3 is equals to 51 ohms. So V3 is equals to 25.5 volts. So next is in finding the total voltage is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So V1 is equals to 5 volts and V2 is equals to 19.5 volts and V3 is equals to 25.5 volts. So we all know that the total voltage is 50, and if we're going to add this voltage V1 plus V2 plus V3 is also equal to 50 volts. So find the I1, RT, the V1, V2, and V3. So this is the figure of a series circuit. So the given are Vt is equals to 9 volts, the R1 is equals to 3 kilo ohms, R2 is equals to 10 kilo ohms, R3 is equals to 5 kilo ohms. So first we will going to find the total resistance. So total resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R1 is equals to 3 kilo ohms plus R2 is equals to 10 kilo ohms plus R3 is equals to 5 kilo ohms. So in total, it is equal to 18 kilo ohms or equal to 18,000 ohms. Next is the I1. So in a series circuit, the total current is also equal to the I1, I2, and so on. So the I1 is equals to voltage is equals to 9 volts. The total resistance is equals to 18 kilo ohms. So 9 divided by 18 is equals to 0.5 ampere. Next is we're going to find the V1. So V1 is equals to the total current times the R1. So 0.5 times 3 kilo ohms is equals to V1 is equals to 1.5 volts. Next is V2. So total current is 0.5 times R2 is equals to 10 kilo ohms. So V2 is equals to 5 volts. Next is V3. So V3 is equals to the total current is 0.5 times R3 is equals to 5. So V3 is equals to 2.5 volts. So total voltage is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So 1.5 plus 5 plus 2.5 is equals to 9 volts, and the total voltage is equals to 9 volts. So